Hello, my name's Michael, and we're just doing some lawn treatments for Al here. The first thing we did is we thatched the lawn, which just means we're scratching up and raking the dead grass. And this is a good thing, just aesthetically. It keeps all the brown grass and gets all the sticks and little bits of leaves and stuff up. But the next thing we're going to do is aeration, and that's a good thing to break up compaction if you just had a pool installed, or if you have clay soil. It gets the water and fertilizer down to the roots, so it's a good practice every spring or sometimes in the fall too. And then thatching is just a good time after that. It's a good time to seed, put down fertilizer, and then typically we would do our first mow after a thatch just to vacuum up everything with the bagger attached to the mower. And then it just really looks like a park, and it looks really great afterwards. And yeah, that's what we do at the Better Way. We take off to-do items off people's plates, and yeah, we're happy to promote Fence Armor, and we use their products on various properties of ours. And I'm even going to look into the new post-rot treatment system too that they have, and it's a really neat idea. Because even just recently I did a quote, there's a big commercial property, probably 1,000 feet of fencing that they have to pay for, and in the next 2-3 years they probably have like over 100 posts that are going to be pulled up. It's one of those things where a stitch in time saves 9 kind of thing, and it's like it's worth a couple dollars to put on the Fence Armor post protection. Yeah, we're really pleased with the customer service at Fence Armor, and we get along well with them, and yeah, happy to partner with them to take care of people's properties. So we're on Instagram. We have our handle is @TheBetterWayMaintenance. We always have fun videos of us doing random stuff and pruning and all sorts of fun stuff. And then we're at gobetterway.ca.